Hey, what's up YouTube? Good morning. I'm gonna show you guys a quick way to test your speakers on your, this is a 2006 Honda Civic. So the front two speakers were blown, so I just replaced them. So this is how you figure out if one of the speakers are bad, or you can test it after you put it on. So this is the new one I just put on both sides. This is a replacement part that I bought, genuine Honda. You can replace it with an aftermarket one or just your straight plug-in from a Honda, so I just did that. So put the key in your ignition and you're gonna press the number 3, 1 and power. So 3, 1 power. Let's try that again. Okay, there you go. So press 3 and 1 together at the same time, then you press the power button. So it goes to the front, right, left. As you can hear, that one's working. Then you press the skip button and it goes to the right side, and as you can hear, that side's working. Then you press rear and right, and obviously you can hear that's working too. And press again and it goes to the left side, and that's working too. And if you press again, it does all of them at the same time. So yep, there you go. And you just press power to turn it off. So that's how you can test if your speakers are working. Mine, when I tested it, the front left and the right was not working, so I just replaced them. They're only about $12 a piece per speaker, and it's the same speaker on all four sides, so it's really easy to replace and test yourself. As you see, there's plenty of videos on YouTube too how to pull these panels off. It's probably a 20-minute job to do both sides. All right guys, that's all. Thank you.